This is a teardown of an RCA 4-way multi-switch model D6520. Not really sure what I'm going to find in here other than some RF black magic. So it's time to look. And yeah, we got a bunch of RF black magic. From the looks of it, these little copper wipers were touching the bottom cover for grounding purposes. Because you can see they're bent up, kind of springy, and they stick up beyond the lip that this sits on. A whole bunch of screws. I don't know if I'm going to be able to remove this PCB. Oh wow. Transistor in there of some sort. Doesn't appear to have any markings though. Let's see here. So many screws. I think I got all of them. Yep. It's interesting. I wonder how they assembled this. I think there's a metal tab poking through that they soldered to the board for the jacks. But the jacks are molded into the cast aluminum housing, so... Huh. I don't think I'm going to be able to get this out of here, though, unfortunately. Nope, I do not. I don't have the clearance to nip that out. Well, that's a bummer. I don't imagine there's much on the other side of the PCB, but yeah, there's a model number on the board. Otherwise, I'll do a quick pan through. I have no clue what any of this stuff is up to and what it's doing. All sorts of coils and stuff, though. I would assume some of it's probably for impedance matching or something. But yeah, unfortunately that's a pretty quick look inside, I guess, since I'm not motivated enough to do the work necessary to fully remove the board. But hopefully this is somewhat interesting, and thanks for watching.